Hi everyone, I'm Adam. In this problem, we're going to be finding the standard form of the equation of the parabola with the given characteristics that we have the vertex is at 0.54 and the focus is at 0.34. So to find the standard form, first let's kind of determine what type of a parabola we have. So we have pre-drawn two basic types. Basically, we can have a parabola with a vertical axis, either opening upwards or downwards. We're drawing open upwards, or a horizontal axis, opening out to the side or in reverse. So which one do we have? Well, using our characteristics and what we've labeled here, the vertex and the focus, if we notice, there's a pattern. So if we have a parabola with a vertical axis, if we look, because the axis of symmetry is vertical, means the x-coordinates of those points would be the same, or h and h, right? The same x-coordinate. If our axis is horizontal, the axis of symmetry going this way, then the y-coordinates would be the same. We have k and k. That's fundamentally all we have to look at. With our the vertex and the focus, we see we have 4 and 4 for a y-coordinate, so that's going to tell us we're going to have a parabola with a horizontal axis. So put a check mark here. That's going to be our winner. So we want to find the standard form of that. So the standard form of an equation of a parabola with a horizontal axis, so we're going to have y minus k quantity squared is equal to 4 times the constant p times x minus h. And so substituting our values of k, h, and then finding p and putting that in there, that'll give us our standard form. Okay, so from here, well, noticing that our vertex is the same, it's at point hk from our vertex that we have. We have that h is equal to 5 and k is equal to 4. And then looking at the standard form of our equation, we just have to find the value p. Well, what we know also is that our focus, right, focus of a parabola with a horizontal axis has points with coordinates h plus p and k, and that has to be equal to our focus here with coordinates 3 and 4. So we're interested in finding p. So using this little equation, that means that h plus p, right, has to be equal to 3. Or, right, what is h? H is 5. 5 plus p equals 3. Or subtracting 5 from both sides, p is equal to negative 2. All right, so let's separate that because we're going to use that. All right, so we have our h, k, and p. We'll plug everything into our standard form and see what we get. Okay, so for our standard form, we have y minus k. So y minus 4 quantity squared is equal to 4 times p, or times negative 2, times the quantity x minus h, or x minus 5. Okay, so technically speaking, we have it in standard form, but the convention is to try and simplify everything. So we're going to FOIL out here on the left, simplify our terms on the right, and we'll bring everything over to one side and have it set equal to 0. So FOILing this left-hand side, y minus 4 squared, that'll give us, say, y squared minus 8y plus 16, and equal to, multiplying through on the right-hand side, 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. So distributing that, we'll have minus 8x and negative 8 times negative 5, say plus 40. So one more step, like we said, we're going to bring everything over to one side. So we'll have y squared minus 8y, add our 8x, so plus 8x, and subtract 40, so 16 minus 40 gives us a minus 24, and that's set equal to 0. So there's the equation of our parabola. Thank you very much.